Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny B Investing in BI. We're going to go ahead and try to use Indigo within the dApp connector in Eternal Wallet and see if we get a better experience. So we're going to manage. We're going to withdraw 31 staked Indigo tokens and pull our ADA rewards, and then we're going to swap those 31 Indy tokens back into ADA while the price is up, and we can see a profit, keeping the remainder, the profits, in tokens in our stake. Here we go. It's zippier. Had issues with the confirmation part, just locking up and kind of just sitting there and not wanting to confirm. So we'll see. There we go. There we go. So we got 179.66. We've pulled our rewards. So we're good there. Now, let's go ahead and try to use the swap feature. We've got INDY. We should. Let's refresh. And confirm we have the tokens. Okay, there they go. There goes the 31 INDY. Max 190. Minimum received will be 186. They're saying Sunday swap is the best option. I just want to confirm. I want to confirm that the price, I'm going to check on Muesli Swap's aggregator just to make sure that things are on the up and up. This is new. This is beta. So since we have the opportunity to confirm, I feel like we should do that. 190. It's saying MinSwap has the best price. I would get 190, 190.56. They're saying 190. Can I refresh? I don't know. Maximum received. MinSwap. 196.8. Sunday swap. What are they saying on Muesli Swap? Muesli Swap is saying 6.1. 6.16. This is 6.17. Maybe Muesli Swap is wrong. Wing Riders is ridiculous. Look at that. The slippage is crazy. We would get 4 ADA. 8 freaking ADA and TVL. It's insane. What? I don't understand why. Sunday swap and Muesli swap. Well, Muesli swap has a lot of TVL. MinSwap would give us 6.16. Yeah, that's what they're saying. But they're saying over here, Sunday would give us 6.17. Minimum receive will be 186. Let's do 31 of these bad boys, and then we'll have 20 left over as our profit, and we'll just keep those tokens. And then we have another 60 to deal with. But I'm going to wait. Things could go to the upside even further, If they do, then we'll take an even larger profit. If things go to the downside, that's fine as well. We have 190, or we will have 190 ADA to play with. Plus, we have 88 ADA in IUSD staked right now, so we could also utilize that if we need to. Plus, I do have some stablecoins and ADA and other accounts, so got a lot of options. But I'm still just playing it safe here. Let's go ahead and use the Indigo built-in swap, and let's see what we get. All right, wants us to sign. Complete. It's pending on Sunday swap. And I don't know how long it's going to take. Looks like the price changed a little bit. Minimum receive is going to be 186. I hope we get more than that. Looks like it went through, but it's kind of still sitting here. There we go. Still saying pending here. It's a little lagged. Let's go back to the dashboard. Okay. Yeah, it's not updating in real time. It's a little lagged. We got 190 tokens. As you can see, now we have 13, almost 1,400 ADA. And that ADA is automatically staked for me in a Teddy swap pool. So we're earning rewards there. We're earning rewards here. We're just earning rewards. We're making smart decisions. We're buying low, selling high, keeping the profits in the INDY token. I'm liking it. We're doing things smart this cycle. I'm sticking to that. I'm doing it smart. No need to take unnecessary risk. Let's build up our Indigo bag by reducing our average price per token. Just keep on bringing it down. Keep on bringing it down. That's what we're all about here. But the Indigo swap feature is kind of neat. It looks accurate. It just looks like it lags a little bit. It looks like on the actual protocol, it'll show that deal going through. It doesn't like auto refresh, or maybe it's on some kind of timer. But yeah, I think it's a neat feature. We're getting to the point where we can do pretty much everything within Indigo. I like that. It makes it easier for me. It makes it easier for adoption. It would make it easier for a noob to be able to just kind of trust Indigo, put their tokens in here, do their swaps and trades in here, do their staking in here, pull their rewards within here. I think it's really cool. I really hope that, projects like Eternal and Giro can really, really integrate Indigo into their wallet. I really feel like Indigo is one of the best applications on Cardano. Like I tweeted earlier today, you just can't beat it. It's just, it is what it is, people. People screaming about Meld and screaming about Liquid. It's Indigo for me, and it always has been. Let me know how you guys feel, what kind of moves you're making. If you think we're doing the right thing here, yes or no, let me know in the comment section. But in the meantime, go ahead and hit that like, hit the share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.